Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive XLM in Lobstr wallet. And receiving XLM in your Lobstr wallet, it's a very simple process. So for that you just need to follow some easy step, and just first you click on the receive button, and now you can see that three option here. You can click on copy button and your address will be copy to your clipboard, and then you can send this particular address to particular person or anyone that that one is sending you XLM coins. So you just need to copy and send that. And there's another option that you can click on share, and if you have a social media platform and other application of chat applications, you can click on that and you can easily share with this option. And also you have QR scan, so you can click on QR and now you can send this QR code to the particular person, and this QR code will help the person to send you the XLM to the particular account. So that's how you can receive XLM in your Lobstr wallet. So this is how you can do it, and it's a very simple process. So that's for the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.